Today, let's describe different people. Listen carefully. Imagine every person. Ready? Let's begin. Daniel has many neighbors. Each neighbor looks different. Each neighbor acts differently. Daniel enjoys meeting everyone. Mr. Brown is very tall. He plays basketball daily. Everyone notices his height. He smiles warmly. He greets everyone happily. People like his kindness. He seems very friendly. He loves helping children. Children wave excitedly. Mr. Brown laughs often. Mrs. Green is short. She has white hair. She speaks gently. She smiles every morning. Everyone respects her. She loves baking cookies. Children visit her often. She shares delicious snacks. Everyone thanks her. Mr. Wilson stays busy. He works every weekday. He answers many phone calls. He writes many reports. He visits many offices. He never wastes time. Sometimes he coughs. Then he drinks water. Soon he continues working. Emily feels cheerful. She always smiles brightly. She sings every morning. Her friends enjoy listening. Sometimes she giggles. Everyone laughs together. Emily loves making friends. She welcomes everyone warmly. Kevin seems quiet. He enjoys reading books. He visits libraries often. He studies every evening. He rarely speaks loudly. His friends understand him. Everyone admires his patience. Sophia looks energetic. She exercises every morning. She runs very fast. She enjoys outdoor games. She encourages everyone. Her smile inspires friends. People feel motivated. Mr. Lee appears serious. He teaches mathematics. His lessons stay interesting. Students respect him. He explains everything clearly. Everyone learns happily. Anna feels nervous. Today is examination day. She studies carefully. She breathes slowly. She whispers softly. Soon she feels confident. She finishes successfully. Michael looks strong. He lifts heavy boxes. He helps elderly neighbors. Everyone appreciates him. He never complains. He keeps smiling. Lucy seems patient. She teaches young children. Children sometimes make mistakes. Lucy stays calm. She explains everything again. Everyone learns better. David appears funny. He tells silly jokes. Everyone laughs loudly. Even teachers smile. Friends enjoy his company. Emma looks careful. She checks every detail. She reads instructions twice. She avoids careless mistakes. Everyone trusts Emma. Mrs. Taylor seems wise. She gives useful advice. Many people visit her. Everyone listens carefully. Her words bring comfort. Tom looks polite. He says please often. He says thank you. He opens doors politely. Everyone enjoys his manners. Jessica stays friendly. She welcomes new students. She shares helpful ideas. Everyone feels comfortable. Nobody feels lonely. Every person looks unique. Every personality feels special. Kind words build friendships. Friendly people spread happiness. Respect everyone, always. Everyone has wonderful qualities. Now remember these describing words. Tall means high. Short means not tall. Friendly means kind. Busy means having much work. Quiet means making little noise. Cheerful means feeling happy. Energetic means full of energy. Strong means physically powerful. Patient means staying calm. Funny means making people laugh. Careful means avoiding mistakes. Wise means having experience. Polite means showing good manners. Nervous means feeling worried. Serious means very focused. Listen again tomorrow. Practice every day. Your listening will improve.
Wake up in the morning light, open my book and read a line. A new word here, a new word there, learning English everywhere. I make mistakes and that's okay. I learn a little every day, step by step.
See you next lesson. Goodbye.